Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk to you just like you were my friend asking me for help with your students' math homework. Maybe they're struggling with this and you're not quite sure what to do. This type of homework can be hard because for us as adults, we've been doing it for a long time, so it seems kind of obvious. And if our student is struggling, we might not quite know how to explain it to them. So we're going to go over 3 different strategies if your student is having a hard time comparing these bigger numbers. We want to know which one is bigger. So the first strategy I would probably use is a place value chart. Now you can either draw these, or I will have a link in the description to a Google Drive doc where you can print one for yourself. We are comparing 2 numbers, so I would either fold this or draw a line down the middle so we can write 2 numbers in here. So first I would write this number, or have them write it, would be even better. There's the top number, and then have them write the other number underneath it. Then we go ahead and start on the biggest side, right? Because we want to know which number is bigger. So we're not going to start over here. We're going to start on the bigger side. So both of these have 500,000s. All right, those are the same. Both of them have 6 10,000s. And then we finally get to a difference here where one of them has 2,000s, one of them has 4,000s. So which one is bigger? The one with 4,000s, right? So that helps us know that this one is bigger. And we don't really need to worry about these numbers because this one told us which one was bigger. We can kind of ignore these. Isn't that nice? All right, next thing I would do is I would probably, if they're not understanding that way, we can try another strategy. Or if they're tired of using the place value chart, this way might be a little easier. I might grab a little Post-it note, or you don't have to, you can just write it on a paper. But I would probably hand them something that looked like this, where I had one number written on top and the other number written on bottom. And if they need it, I might even put a little star over here to help them remember to start comparing on the left side, on the bigger side, the side where the numbers are bigger, right? Now this is very similar to the other one, just without a chart. So hopefully if they need it, the star helps them to remember to start on this side. All right, both 7s, they're the same. Oh, here is where we change, where they aren't the same anymore. We've got an 8 on top, a 7 on bottom. 8 is bigger than 7, so this guy is bigger. All right, hopefully that helps. If neither of those strategies are helping, don't worry, we have another one. We are going to use expanded form. All right, if you need a review or you're not sure what this is, I'll link a video for in the corner, but I'm also going to do it right here. So basically we write these numbers out by their place value. So I write 413,760 as 400,000 plus 10,000 plus 3,000. See how I'm writing them by their place value? Plus 700 plus 60, and I don't have any ones. Now, hopefully your student has actually been doing this, so they might be like, oh yeah, I can totally do expanded form. And then we're going to write the other one, 400,000 plus, don't let me lose track, 10,000. So far we're the same, right? Plus 3,000, still the same, plus 500, oh, here's where we're changing, plus 10, plus 2. So obviously it can be helpful if they write them lined up, because it's very obvious, okay, those are the same, those are the same, those are the same. Where we change is right here with the hundreds. And which one is bigger? Well, the one was 700, right? So it would go that way. That one is bigger. All right, if your student is struggling, hopefully one of these strategies will help. Thanks.